Hey, buddy. All right, I'm going to give you all a quick little tour through our little town of Greybull, Wyoming. This morning we got up to -30. It's about -17 right now. And I'm just going to give you an uncut tour right through town. Show you what it looks like. Cute little town up here in Wyoming. Here we go. I'll be back, bud. Oh boy, it's bright. Crossing the Greybull River. We are now officially entering the town of Greybull, Wyoming. Established in 1906. Tell you, I'm looking through the phone at those mountains. Multiply them by about 10. That's how big they look in real life. See me if I zoom in. It's a little more accurate, but see all the houses down on the right. Actually, the river we're crossing the train tracks right now, I believe. There on the left is the co-op. That's where you go for everything you need that isn't grocery store stuff.
Their gas prices are the highest, I think, out of all of them.
What are the gas prices?
This one says $2.99. The one up where I get gas at Mavericks is like $2.97.
So gas is under $3 a gallon, and it's January 13th, 2024. This is right here, downtown Conrad, or Greybull. This is where all the restaurants are and stuff. We actually got about 6 restaurants or something, so pretty good selection.
It's like 12.
This is the fire department we just passed on the right. Saturday morning. Dollar store, Family Dollar on the left, candy store on the right. Here on the left is the main gas station in town. You got the Conoco, $2.98 a gallon, and
Oh, they're both $2.98.
yeah, they're all $2.98. The Mavericks, $2.98 a gallon this morning too, I guess. Church on the right. Right down here is the middle school and the high school. I don't know where the elementary school is. I think it's on the other side of town. And coming up on the right-hand side of the road is our grocery store, Lynn's. There's also a bank in it and an Ace Hardware.
With a pharmacy in it.
With a pharmacy. Turn you over so you can see it. There's the grocery store, the Ace Hardwares. So, and there's also another building supply store in town, so we got access to a lot of that kind of stuff. Another of these little hotels, they're all in really good condition. These retro-y old hotels. There is an RV park, another one over on the right there where that green sign is. And we got our A&W. It's been here since before 1950, I believe. And Another one of these retro cool old motels. That's Greybull for you. We're now out of the town. Go ahead and turn in right here. Here's a cool old antique store I ain't been to yet.
I didn't even know they had any antiques.
Yeah, I just ain't pushed it yet because I don't got nowhere to put anything if I do buy anything. Look at this place. Pretty sweet, huh? Alright, so that's all Greybull there. We're gonna head back home and try to keep warm. Thanks for watching, and you could like or subscribe. It really helps out the channel. It really helps promote the video, gets it on the old algo. So anything you could do, comment below. Tell me if you grew up in a small town, and talk to you later.